Echeveria Etna. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again to our garden. And to this video, we are going to feature another beautiful succulent here in our garden, known as Echeveria Etna. It can grow up to 25 to 30 centimeter in diameter, and it has beautiful lilac purple bumps on the leaves when it's matured. Prefers full sun. Most freely Echeverias like full sun and plenty of food and water. It is a spectacular succulence that forms short-stem rosettes of colorful, wavy leaves with caruncles and red margins. You must be careful never to let water to sit in the rosette, as it can cause rot or fungal diseases that will help to kill the plant. Additionally, remove dead leaves from the bottom of the plant as it grows. These dead leaves provide a haven for pests and are susceptible to mealybugs. Careful on watering habits and plenty of light will help to ensure success of succulents as it grows.